Hello everyone. In the last video, we saw how we can manipulate HTML and CSS with JavaScript. But in this video, I will show you how we can manipulate elements through events. Okay. Look that if we click here to display content in this button that I create, okay, we can see this div of name hiding content. Now, how can we create it? Look that I need to first remove it and reload the page. Nothing. Okay. First, I create a variable of element and border. And now I need call border here and add add event listener. What is it? What is addEventListener? Is a method that allows you to add an event listener to an element on the page. Okay, and what happened here? First, we can add a click, because if we click our button, run a function, run this function, and into this function I need add our element variable, okay, and add a style, because we know that we have this property, and display, oh sorry, style dot display equal block. If we reload the page, okay, it's good, but we can do it different, okay. For example, if I comment this part and create here a console log and add our element, especially when I reload the page, look that here we have a div, and if we look this with scroll down this part, we have this object class list, and into this class list we have a value of our class name hidden div in the first line in our web in my code. Okay, what is class list? Class list is an object provides some helper methods. Which methods? If we add here an element and add a class list dot look that we have some methods. How add contains for each, for loops, length, remove. What remove? What we can what can we add? What can we remove? Classes. Okay, so in the for this example, we need a method add, and add here a class. But first, now I need to create a class here. For example, div, I think so, appear, yeah, and display block, because we need to see our div when we click, okay, because here display is none, and add here our class of name div appear. Okay, we can reload the page. And click here. It's awesome. Okay, it's good. To look better, I can add a console log element here because you need to see the difference. Okay, load the page, space on console. We have this div, okay, with only class name hidden div, and if we click here, look there we have a two class hidden div and div appear that I create. If we scroll down here on class list, look that we have two values now, two length. Okay, first value is hidden div, this hidden div here, and div appear now. Okay, div appear that I create, and is it, guys? That's, I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you the next time. Okay, bye guys.